Yo, what is good, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for today's video, we are headed over to a car meet. We are meeting up the boys in Oxnard right now, and then we're gonna cruise with them over to the meet. So I'll pick up the camera once we get over to the meetup spot, show you guys some of the cars. All the boys got Beamers, so I'm gonna be probably the only Mustang. But yeah, stop by to get some E85 right here. We got, you know, the Celsius. But yeah, let's get it. Sheesh. Just met up with the boys. Hella Beamers.
Maybe. Okay. Yeah. No, that was had the intakes.
I'm the only Mustang. We might get a run with the X3, X4, whatever. We'll see, but this is just the pre-meet, and then we're gonna head out and get to the actual meet.
Dude, I should tell my friend. He texted me. He's like, "Mom, have you been to Mom?"
There's hella BMWs. I parked my car like down there somewhere. There's a huge crowd. It was like, is it Pro Charged? This is sick. Matte black.
That's what they consider it.
Big single turbo G80. Clean as wheels too.